So in this scenario, this mannequin infant is going to be in a cardiac arrest. There is an endotracheal tube and advanced airway already in place. So what changes? Number one is the person doing compression is now doing continuous compression for 2 minutes without stopping. The second thing is the person that's doing the rescue breathing is now going to be delivering 1 breath every 3 seconds. So you'll see the two of us working in balance. You don't have to stop compressions to deliver rescue breaths when there is an endotracheal tube in. We're going to be doing it for a minute using this counter. Okay. 1, 2. And the reason we are giving more rescue breaths in an infant code pink is because the majority of cardiac arrests in this population is due to a respiratory component. 25 seconds left. Compressions are good. And we'll also see that by not having any interruptions from doing compressions, we should be getting a CCF of 100% at this point. So the CCF here is 100% because there was no interruptions from compressions. That is ideal in this population if you can get an endotracheal tube in quickly.